my name is Kapil and welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today in this video we are going to discuss about VDO.ninja. In last video we have seen the detailed discussion about the uh, OBS studio. So now we will talk about the VDO.ninja. Actually, now the purpose of this is to have your camera or your mobile camera screen into your laptop. Okay, so that is what we want, because our let's say our webcam which currently I am using doesn't serve my purpose. It doesn't have better clarity. It is not even a full HD as well, and my mobile camera is very good. There are a couple of software which is available, which I will tell you. Let's say uh, this is the one which is Irion webcam, and another one is IVCam. So both of this, so I will just show you that what exactly it is, where exactly. So this is the one which I am talking about, IVCam, and the second one is this one. So both of these are available, but it will not work as expected, because the it will be very sluggish. Actually, there is a very delayed response, and it doesn't look better. So now, because of that same reason, we need something which is much more stable, and which we can use it. So you can see that here I have a video.ninja. So what I need to do, I need to go to Chrome. Okay, it will not work in other I have seen, at least I tried with Samsung browser, it doesn't work there. So that's why I would suggest to go with this one, let's say the Chrome browser. And then once you type video.ninja, then it will open this page, and there you will get a option like that: create a room, add your camera to OBS. So, and the third one is create reusable invite. So I am going to click on this, add your camera to OBS. And once I will click, you can see that it will pop up, let's say, something that I can start a video. Okay, so let's try that actually now. Okay, so it is showing this, and now once I will click on start, okay, it will start my camera. Okay, I can just mute my mic, because I doesn't want that to be reflected there as well. So currently the response is bit sluggish, there is a delay, but yeah, it will work well with OBS, because currently I'm doing the screen recording as well, and that could be the reason it is happening. Okay, so now what you need to do is you need to open an OBS studio. Okay, so OBS studio I will open, and once you open that OBS studio, you need to go to the browser option. That's what I think we discussed last time, that we're going to see what exactly we can do with browser. So I have let's say I put this video.ninja, and then I have this browser option. Okay, and once I will click, I need to give that browser option which I have. So you can see that, let's say I have this OBS studio, I have this one, and whatever the, let's say, this URL which is reflecting over here, that I need to type it over here. Okay, so I will do both side by side. Okay, so it will be easy. So to type, let's I will go to OBS Ninja, then slash, then question mark, then view, then equal to 8 S capital Z to A 7L. Okay, so this is what I need to do, and here I can let's say control resolution. Okay, I can mention that I will keep this because it is much more easy for me, but you can give a one full HD, let's say 1920 1080 as well. And once we will click over here, then that screen should come over here. Let's see, something is not correct. Okay, yeah, so it is coming. I applied some additional setting as well, and because of the same reason, it is yeah, not reflecting, because I applied the chroma key as well. Okay, and because of the same reason, it is coming like that. But in general it will work very well. Okay, I think it is the browser is a second, because of that reason it is not coming. And once I will go up with that and I will enable this, you can see it is coming, right? So then it will come. So you can minimize this screen as well wherever you want to place, that also is possible. Okay, so you can play with this, is very useful feature actually. I did multiple things with this, and let's say what I tried last time is that I put this way. So I wanted to keep that over here, and I applied a chroma key so I can remove my background as well. Okay, certainly currently my setting is not correct, and because of that reason you are seeing like this, but otherwise it will crop it completely and it will work very well. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching this video, and see you again with a new video. Till now,